So I made this platform. Actually, the granddaughters made the platform, and I keep telling everyone it is for beehives because there's bears in the area, and rather than dealing with electric fences and all that stuff, I decided to build a platform that was 8 foot off the floor, off the ground, and had a 2-foot overhang so that a bear could not climb up on the platform. Well, today I decided to take the drone out, and I climbed up there and I sat down and I thought, wow, this is a perfect drone launch and recovery place. So now I call it a drone launching platform. But it's really, if I had the time and energy, it would be a beehive platform, but I don't have the time or the energy, or maybe I do, I just don't spend the time and take the energy. But anyways, I went out and flew the drone for a little while. Unfortunately, the batteries weren't very well charged, and they were only at 50%, so I didn't get to fly very long. This video is about 2 minutes and 30 seconds long, and what I'm really doing is just practicing. So in another video that I'm going to produce in a few minutes, it's probably about the same amount of time, I flew the drone, I don't want to say unseen, but I was flying it through trees and down the driveway. According to the FAA, you're supposed to be able to see the drone at all times. So, wasn't that it wasn't visible, it was just you didn't have a plain view of sight on the thing, and I was just practicing. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy my video, and it's this is up the mountain there, and the parkway's right there. Right, I don't know why I'm pointing with the with the mouse pointer. It's right there. Just trust me, at the right side of the screen right now. Anyways, that's what I did for the past 15-20 minutes. Hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you around.